Hey, are you ready to turn your fight or flight into rest and digest? In this soul-nourishing guide, we are mixing ancient wisdom with neuroscience to help you find your inner zen. This is perfect for really anybody, but especially for my overwhelmed people, spiritual seekers, and anyone who's tired of living feeling like you're on the edge. Warning, this may cause excessive peace and random outbursts of joy. Hey, beautiful people. Before we dive in, take a deep breath with me. Feels good, right? Or maybe it feels weird because your nervous system is as jumpy as a cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Don't worry, we're about to change that. You know that feeling when your energy is more chaotic than Mercury in retrograde? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the cosmic truth. Your nervous system isn't just some random biological wire. It's your body's sacred communication network. Let's break down 5 divine tools for nervous system regulation that even your ancestors would be proud of. First one, the sacred pause. Remember, even the universe had to take a breather after the Big Bang. When you're feeling overwhelmed, place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. You feel that? That's your body's natural wisdom saying hello. 2, the cosmic reset. Here's something wild. Your vagus nerve is basically your body's spiritual hotline. To activate it, try humming your favorite tune. Yeah. Number 3 is the divine ground. Get those feet on Mother Earth. Barefoot if you can, shoes if you must. Feel the earth's energy rising up through your feet like you're a human tree. Nature didn't give us anxiety, we gave that to ourselves. Number 4, the sacred shake. Ever see a dog shake after a stressful moment? They're onto something. Give your body a gentle shake, moving your way up your arms and legs. Let it all go like you're releasing stardust back into the universe. Ready? Start with our hands, get our feet, we're going, we're shaking, we're shaking. I like to do it standing, but I don't feel like getting up right now, so we're just gonna do this. It can feel silly, but that's okay. That's the point. We're changing our state. You're trying to change your state. Change your state, change your fate. Number 5, the rainbow scan. I may have mentioned this in another video, but it's brought up again because it helps bring us back to the present moment. Look around your space and find one thing of each color of the rainbow. Red like that book cover, orange like that candle, yellow like that post-it note, or for me, I have a pillowcase that's yellow. It's like a spiritual scavenger hunt that helps your nervous system feel safe in the here and now. Plus, it reminds us even in challenging moments that we are surrounded by divine beauty everywhere. And remember, your nervous system isn't broken. It's just a bit too good at its job. It's kind of like an overachieving guardian angel that just needs to chill out. And before you go, this isn't just about feeling better. It's about remembering who you truly are beneath all of that stress and static. You're not just healing your nervous system, you're reclaiming your natural state of peace. And if you're thinking this is too simple to work, that's the point. And exactly why it does work. The universe loves simplicity. Drop a star in the comments if you are ready to give your nervous system the spiritual upgrade it deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep your Zen levels high. Peace out. We'll see you in the next video.